Once upon a time, a seaplane embarked on its ambitious journey across the vast ocean under a cerulean sky. As it effortlessly glided above the shimmering waves, it soon encountered a flock of resilient seagulls surfing the gusty winds. Intrigued by their agile nature, the seaplane observed how the seagulls adapted to the unpredictable air currents and choppy waters below. Inspired, the seaplane realized the importance of flexibility and resilience, traits crucial for navigating the ever-changing skies. In this aerial TED Talk, it shares insights on embracing change and adapting swiftly, highlighting the profound connection between all creatures of the air and sea. For the seaplane, every journey is an opportunity to learn and inspire both birds and humans alike.